We're gonna attempt to hike. I have rolled my ankle about a week ago. I rolled it good. I'm not intoxicated. It's like the main question now. I am ADHD as F, and I was like, look, there's the river, which was really a lake. And then in the midst of paying attention to the water, I hit uneven ground. And then I completely just rolled my ankle, crunch, crunch, crink, crink, fell down, all the things. So it's been a rough week, and I wanted to be outside, and I can't. So we're gonna try it today, even though it's not 100. Yeah, look at the cool. So story time. I came into these woods quite a few years ago and swear I saw a mountain lion. Listen, I was stoned, but that doesn't mean that what I saw wasn't real. I didn't take much time to investigate it. During that day, me and my dog ran out because I got real scared. Might have been a deer, who knows. Ankle update. It hurts. It's all tendon pain. I probably shouldn't have him on my back right now, but this is what I do, okay? I actually don't want to do this anymore. If anybody's curious, this is Hudson's fake cry. Legs are rubbing together. This is why I'm out here. My biggest since I was 22. Good grief, 22 was 17 years ago. I'm back to that chunky, just at a happier spot and a little more put together. I can't be having my legs rubbed together like this and this chin. Not out here just for my physical health. I'm probably out here more for my mental health. I do have ADHD, and a lot of people don't understand that that is more of a mood disorder at times. This helps regulate it when I'm not medicated, which I'm not. I have a map. I don't know why I did this to myself. There's a tree. He's waving at the turkeys. I have a very large bird fear. A very large bird fear. I cannot. These woods are like turkey infested, and I just can't. Like, turkeys are huge, and they can be mean. I'm not down. Nope. And I'm jogging out of this frickin' place. We made it. Almost 4 miles. Only tripped twice. Didn't roll an ankle. No real crying.